It's turning. It's turning. It's actually turning towards you a little bit.
Is it? It's still gonna go a little bit behind me.
Yeah, it's gonna go right in between us.
Yep.
It did.
Oh, dang.
It went right in between us, but I still got 7,000 probe on it.
No, it does shift very, very slightly.
I only got 61. I should have. Yeah.
Yeah, I got 70-33.
I think it's dissipating too.
Yeah, I have it disappearing after this.
Do they add power flashes into the game?
Not yet.
So when it hits the telephone poles, yes, they spark.
Oh yeah, little sparks, but not power flashes. But yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be a direct hit.
Is it? Nice.
5,000.
Let's see where I'm at.
Oh,
6,900.
Don't toss me.
7,800.
That's why I stopped where I was.
Hey yo, Catherine. Hey yo.
86.
85. Let's see where I'm going from here.
Yeah, 86-33. Looks like all I'm gonna get.
I got
Walking
8,500.
back.
That's not horrible.
I wasn't even looking at the wins, but I'm pretty sure I had like 100. I saw 115, but I think it was higher than that.
Oh, gnarly.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a direct hit.
Oh, gnarly. Oh. That was a little nerve-wracking.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get a kiss from it.
Wow. 86-33.
That was a direct hit. Yeah. What do you get?
86-33.
That's literally what I got.
Nice.
I still can't report it.
Me either. Try to get a handle on where this thing's moving. Okay, I'm starting to get wind.
I think I'm gonna go ahead and place right here.
Time to walk back.
Oh my god. Oh, I gotta put down. I gotta anchor.
I'm gonna make it. I had to double check.
I've already got like 4,554, 55.
Jeez.
I might get 15K here. Holy shit. 102 miles an hour. I'm not even like in the debris field yet.
I'm capping out at 10,667.
Just broke 9,000. 165 mile an hour winds.
We're going 175. Oh, I'm looking at it. Oh, I'm inside of it.
Are you?
I think it's a strong F4. It's 181 is the maximum I got while I was inside of it.
Yeah, I just had 180.
200 on the RFD.
Oh look, I can see the other tornado in the distance.
Oh, can you?
Yeah.
That was a pretty good probe.
196.
Yeah, 196.
Yep.
Yeah, I got 200 on the back of the RFD. Very nice. It looks amazing. Well, now the fog's cleared up.
What was your probe data?
10,667.
That's exactly what I got.